Hi, everyone. Thank you, Diane, and welcome to our Alation Anywhere Chrome Extension brief. I'm Salima, and I'm on the product marketing team. I'm joined here today by
Edmund, hi, this is Edmund Leong, Principal Product Manager at Alation.
Yes, and we're based in sunny California. All right, let's move on. I know some of you may be new to Alation, so I wanted to start off with a quick overview of Alation's data intelligence platform. This term, data intelligence platform, was actually coined and identified by IDC. And what Alation does is it really centralizes metadata from disparate sources, delivering a unified and automated platform for organizations to be able to find, understand, and trust data for data-driven business decisions. We are also proven and trusted by 40% of the Fortune 100. Looking at our architecture, Alation spans multiple products and solutions, from active metadata management all the way to privacy, risk, and compliance. I also wanted to point out our product suite. We have a wide range of products from the Alation Data Catalog, Alation Data Governance, Lineage, Compose, Alation Anywhere, and Alation Analytics. Today, we are going to double tap on Alation Anywhere as we've had some very exciting new product launches. And today we actually launched our Chrome extension. So we'll go into that a little bit later, and Edmund will show a demo of what our Chrome extension looks like in practice. Zooming out a little bit, I wanted to talk a little bit about Alation Anywhere in general. And collaboration really is an essential component of data analytics and AI projects. From data engineers, data scientists, data stewards, Alation brings ubiquitous and collaborative insights for all knowledge workers in one single source of truth, wherever they work. Alation Anywhere allows you to find and bring trusted data to your day-to-day tools such as Excel, Google Sheets, Microsoft Teams, Slack, Tableau, or even intelligent guided SQL editing. We do want to promote a data-driven culture to promote collaboration cross-functionally with context through metadata discovery, data quality flags, reviews, and conversations. Alation Anywhere's goal is really to democratize access to trusted data, being able to find real-time trusted data through any platform that you use daily. So today, we launched our Alation Anywhere Chrome extension, as mentioned previously, and I am looking to dive a little bit deeper into this. Alation Anywhere's Chrome extension unifies data discovery with our intelligent search. Our intelligent search is part of our Ali AI feature suite and allows users to find the specific data they're looking for without using technical terminology. So users can instantly discover trusted data and BI assets directly within Chrome using natural language. As well, we have seamless integrations to Teams' data analysis processes. Users can boost productivity with automated side-by-side previews to data assets through Snowflake Snowsight, Looker, and Power BI, allowing them to dive deeper with contextual metadata within Alation. Another great use case for our Chrome extension is effortless access to glossary definitions. If I'm an analyst and I'm looking to understand standardized organizational terminology while working on a report or a PowerPoint presentation, I'm able to quickly click on the Alation Chrome extension and look for the exact term I'm looking for, as well as understand the terminology in my report. So now I will pass it on to Edmund for a live demo.
All right, so let me see if I can share my screen. Okay. All right. Everybody can see my screen, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, great, thank you. So yeah, so go ahead, let me go ahead and provide a demonstration of the Alation Chrome extension, which complements the way you work by bringing Alation content to where you work. So to start off with, you need to install the Chrome extension by first going to the Chrome Web Store. From within the Chrome Web Store, you type Alation to locate the Alation button or icons. And from there, you can go to the Alation page. So on the Alation page, you need to click on the Add to Chrome. button, which automatically add the Chrome extension to your browser. So it may take a minute or two to finish the installation. All right, so installation is done. And so to make it easier accessible, what you should do is to click on the puzzle icon and see the Alation button and pin it. So therefore, you would be able to access it later on. All right, so in order to use the Alation Chrome extension, you would click on this button to invoke it. The first time using it, you would be asked to either enter the instance name of your Alation instance or select one of those that you have previously entered. And once you sign in, you would be requested to authenticate to the specific instance. If you have already done so, then you just proceed to the next step. Otherwise, then you would do the same authentication as you would do normally when you work with the Alation instance. So for example, in this case, suppose I am working on some presentations. So the Chrome extension allows me to effortlessly access the glossary definitions that I often see in different sort of data sources. So for example, I'm looking at this presentation, and I want to look up the meaning of the word DHR. So I'm going to type the word DHR in here. So the Chrome extension brings in the definition of the term DHR from Alation and show it on the extension itself. At this point, I can click on the filter buttons and perform additional filters so that I would be able to reduce the number of results that would be relevant to this term. On the selected object, you can see that there would be, of course, the name and title itself, the descriptions. You can also see different sort of information about the stewards and domains related to this term. And of course, you can also click on View in Alation to bring up more details about this term. The Chrome extension also seamlessly integrates with your data analysis process. For example, it integrates with Snowflake Snowsight. After you have logged into the Snowflake account like this, so you navigate to the left side inside the data category inside database, and you scroll down within your database to find the relevant set of data that you're looking for. In this case, this particular data set, and I'm looking for in here. And so from there, you select tables or views that you're interested. And so once again, you can go to the top right and invoke the Chrome extension. So the corresponding information about the table will show up in the Chrome extension. And from here, certainly you can see the name, title, descriptions of the table. But more importantly, you can also see the information about the trusted status of the table. For instance, in this case, the table is deprecated, and you can see the trust flag showing that the table is deprecated, as well as certainly the author's information highlighting the fact that this table is deprecated. So at the bottom of the Chrome extension, of course, you can click on View in Alation to see more information. You can click on the button Lineage Preview to see the lineage of this table. You can also click on the pencil button to open up Compose to edit and create SQL queries about this table. The Chrome extension also integrates with other tools such as Power BI. So for example, within Power BI, say within a particular workspace, we need to navigate within the workspace and select the proper table in here. For example, customer segments. So while loading customer segment, we also invoke the Chrome extension. And similarly, we would be able to see side by side not only the Power BI dashboard, but also the corresponding metadata information about the dashboard. In this case, the the name title, the data type, as well as the endorsement associated with this dashboard. And as we navigate to another dashboard, for example, let's look at, say, this one here, right? So the corresponding metadata would also bring up for the new dashboard in here. And similarly, we can do the same thing for Looker. Oh, wow, I'm almost logged out. Oh, in fact, I'm actually logged out. So that actually concludes the demonstration itself. But want to kind of remind the audience that with our Chrome extension, the users gain a side-by-side view of our data asset and corresponding metadata from Alation, accelerating time to insight, streamlining workflows, improving data accuracy, reducing errors, and ensuring that team relies on trusted and governed data. So let me also move on to the roadmap slide here. So the future of Alation Anywhere extension. So not only that, we will continue to innovate our Chrome extension to include integrations such as with Tableau and provide a customized layout. We will also introduce similar capabilities to Microsoft Edge browser and support similar integrations such as Snowflake, Power BI, Looker, and Tableau.